Let's go. Make it live. Check this other one. Check your StreamYard. All right, nice. So, good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good evening, whatever part of the world you are joining us from. We just made everything live. Now we're live and everywhere. It's going to be another amazing week. Trust me. Last weekend, you guys saw the power that we brought in whilst we were trading live. All the trades that were called, everything made profit. Everybody cashed out. All right. So we are now adding cryptocurrency to our curriculum here at Fire Peeps. We also did added to the deriv, so we're not trading VIX 100 and more other ones coming in. But in today's live stream, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know we're going to be talking more about deriv. All right, we're going to be talking more about deriv and other live, and we're also going to be trading live. All right. So before we proceed, I'm right now at Fire Peeps Studios in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Where are you at? Let me see your location. What location are you at right now? Let me see your location. Let me see the location. Show me the locations on the screen, David. All right. Share your location on the screen. Okay. All right. So I can see some other people. All right. All right. So check this other network. Can you see hear us? Okay, good. So I can see a lot of people joining from all over the place, just as always. Ivory Coast, UK, Lagos, Japan. Where else? So nice to have you guys all across right now that are streaming with us. Don't worry, money must be made. One thing is sure. Today's class, just make sure you have an extra or other phone that you're using to follow us. Follow us on the other phone. There, you're going to see, then you can execute. The best way you can actually do trading is practicing, all right? Whilst you're watching us on your laptop, take up your phone and start practicing. So if they say, click on XYZ, you take your phone and then you execute. Click on that, you execute. That's how you can follow. And once the live stream or the recording is up, you have to make sure you come back again and watch. All right, come back again and watch. So I usually don't do this, but I'm going to be doing this today. The Zoom are for only the paid mentees. So I want to throw the Zoom open. So if you want to join us on Zoom, you're able to show. We're going to ask you. You'll be able to ask questions. Get to talk to me directly. So go to Telegram right now, Telegram channel, to be able to get the link to join the Zoom. I'm about to post the link. We only have maximum of 1,000 capacity, which usually gets maxed out in no time. All right. So I just want to post the link right now on the Telegram. So guys, join ASAP because it's just 1,000. So the first 1,000 people get to have access to that. All right. So without taking so much time, we'll be moving to the next phase now. But first, let me make sure everybody is joined. Okay, I just dropped the link right now on Telegram. I just dropped the link on Telegram. Incorrect password. Okay, nice. So, how many people right now on the Telegram? Is it maxed out? Sorry, from the Zoom. How many? Okay. Okay, good. I just want to make sure everybody's in check. So let's get started. Let's get started. Give me this screen. So what I want to do is to introduction to deriv trading for beginners 2024. All right, and that's going to be done by Shams. Shams, come on. So give me Shams today is going to be taking you guys. What's it like? Okay,
today we don't have any network issue, right? So today I'm going to take you on deriv.
All right, so let me leave you guys in the hands of Shams. So Shams, take us on deriv. No, amazing. Take us.
Okay, today I'm going to teach you the basic thing you will need on deriv, right? So first thing is the topic, right? Introduction to deriv trading for beginners in 2024, right? And before we continue, I want you to understand something, right? Deriv is a way of you like gathering capital to go back to the main Forex, right? So you don't need all these bigger capital, such as $1,000 and above. What you need here is like $100 and above. So the first slide we're going to have. So now, what is deriv, right? Deriv trading refers to the activity of buying and selling financial instrument known as derivative. Derivatives are contract whose value is derived from the performance of an underlying asset, index, rate, or other financial instrument. Next slide. There are various synthetic pairs available for trading, but our focus in this class will be specifically on volatility 100, which is V100, right? MT5 is the trading platform that supports deriv. Some people now are used to what MT4, some are used to C traders, but on here, right, it's only MT5 that you can get on this deriv, right? So next thing is what? Step-by-step guide on opening a deriv account. Now, this is more like a theoretical aspect. I'm going to dive into the practical aspect, right? But for you, right, you just need to visit this website, http whatever deriv.com. You click on sign up, then you put in your email and the rest. The next one is verification. Complete the verification process, such as you using your government ID card and the rest, right? Accepted government ID card, sorry. Step-by-step guide on funding a deriv account. This is quite complicated for many, right? So don't be scammed, just stay with me and I'm going to teach you how to do this practical. You log into your account, you navigate to cashier section, choose payment method, enter amount, and then you confirm. Don't worry, we're going to do them live, yeah? So, step-by-step guide on making withdrawal from deriv, right? Navigate to cashier section, choose withdrawal method, and then enter amount and confirm. Note that the withdrawal method must be the same deposit method. So if you use, let's say, crypto to deposit $100, you must use crypto to withdraw that $100 before you can gain access to other means of withdrawal. The next one is let's examine the chart, right? Then let me go on the last slide, discussing risk management for V100. I want to just finish with the slide so that I will go to practical aspect. Then the next one, I like this quote. You plan to start in 2024 so as to achieve your goal. You have just 10 months left. You can still achieve a lot. You can still achieve a lot. Come to Fire People. Let's make your journey easier and faster. Thank you, guys. I've talked about the theoretical aspect of V100. Let's dive into the practical aspect. The first thing you may want to do is come to your browser, whichever browser you're using, right? Now you search for deriv. When you search for deriv, now this is what is going to bring out. When you bring out this, for someone who is new to this stuff, let's do it together. Now this is a new tab. Then we click on, we search for, you click here. Now when you click here, you go down, you will see all this sign up and whatever. Sign up, do this. When you click on this sign up, now that's when you want to open a normal account and the rest, right? But assuming now you've opened your account with deriv, the next thing is this will be your client area on deriv. You can see we have traders hub, we have report, we have cashier, and this will be your balance, right? At the moment now, I have moved my money from this to my MT5. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this traders hub for you to get your MT5. When you click on this trader hub now, this should be the account that you will need, deriv traders. Now, when you get your own now, it won't be open here. Rather, you will see they will tell you get. That's because I have exhausted the number of MT5 that I need to use, right? I've opened all of them on the live that we do have with you, trying to show you. But this is the real one now. When you click on Traders Hub, it will bring you here. Of course, it's real account. You click on deriv trader, you get it. Here, instead of open, it will show you get. Now, the leverage is already 1:1,000 automatically, right? For you, 1:1,000. Now, when you get it, it will ask you to select your password, input password for your MT5. So when you input the password, they will send you your login in your email. That's all for opening an account. Now it will always show you the total amount you have in your MT5 or your client area. At the moment, I have a total asset of what, $102. I told you that it's just smaller.
So, Shams, for some reason, I want you to, so that they'll be able to see what you're doing. Like, you pointing, they can't see. If you check here now, nobody can see.
Oh.
So, what you can do is to use this one, use the pen to circle what they should point at. So, they should click on deriv trader, right? Whatever you want them to, so you circle, and you want it to go out, press the X. So, let's do that.
Thank you.
So, you tap here again, press on the pen to be able to circle what they should press. So, look, please, can you take it slowly so that they'll be able to follow step by step? Because this part is very important.
Okay. Once you finish logging and everything, right, this would be your interface, or we call it client area. But you won't have login, you won't have MT5. So you have to come and click on this Traders Hub. When you click on this Traders Hub, it will bring you this menus now. On this open, your own will show get, right? The reason why it's showing open here is because I already have an account with them. Here too will show you open. Here too you get. All these things will show you get. But mine is showing open because I already have what? Numbers of account with them. So when you get this, it will take you to where you're going to put your password for MT5. Your password is manual. So assuming your password is FirePip now. This is what you're going to use on your MT5 to log into the account that they sent to you through your email. So now assuming they send you an account of 25314648. This is your login. This is your password. There's nothing like investor's password here. So now when you've done that, the next thing you have to do is to come to deposit. Now, many people are having issues with deposit. Many people, right? I want you to understand something. With deriv. There are so many means of deposit. But I will advise you to do direct bank transfer. You come to your cashier. Now, these are the means of deposit we have, right? We have deposit via the following payment method. You can see, please take note of this side. You can see first deposit. We have credit, debit, instant bank transfer, e-wallet, this whatever. If you tap on instant bank transfer now, they are going to charge you a higher price per dollar, but when you want to withdraw it, they will pay you a smaller amount. So I will advise you go with this. Rather, I will advise you to go with the crypto, which is USDT, this very one. But if you are a kind of person who you're not familiar with crypto, there's what we call payment agent. We have payment agent here. Now these guys, majority of them are scammers. Majority of them. So whatever you're doing now, you should know the payment agent, right? So when you want to deposit now, you will search. There are so many of them. So many of them. When you search, you make the amount, you contact the person, and then if you confirm your payment, he's going to send you the amount of what money you want to deposit. Please note that this payment agent, before you do any transaction with them, you need to know them. So the easiest way and the most suitable way is through crypto. So that is how to navigate your client area. For people who are having issues with location, I would advise you use VPN to change your location so that you can be able to get it right. Now, when it comes to withdrawal, the same method, right? You click on withdrawal now. They will send you you can see that you have no fund in your USDT, in your account. The first thing we should do when we want to withdraw is to transfer our money. We click here now. Then we transfer. If I want to withdraw now, I will transfer this 100 USD from here from here to my dollar account to this place. Okay, 100. So now I've tapped on this. Now you can see that it has come. So the money is no more in my MT5 now. Rather, it's in my client area. This is where the money is now. If I want to withdraw it now, I will tap on this withdrawal, right? Tap on this withdrawal. Then they will send me an email. So from my email now, I will tap on the email. Then it will redirect me back here. When it redirects me, then you follow the procedure I told you about. But I will have to transfer this money back to my MT5 because we're going to use it to trade live now. So I'll come back here. Tap on this. This is where I want to take the money, right? This is my MT5. So I will come and put the amount here. 101. To the guys that always talk about giveaway, this is more than giveaway, right? Now the money is gone. So when you're done, you finish the basic step. The next step is how to analyze on V100. How are you going to get your chart on V100? When you just go to TradingView, you won't see it there, right? So you have to go on deriv.chart. So now the next thing is this. This is the chart now on V100. Is it clear? I can continue, right? This is the chart now on V100. So the first thing we look out for on V100 is, of course, higher time frame, which is daily time frame. Because V100 is on a massive downtrend. It's on a very massive downtrend for more than 2 years plus. Now, if you guys observe, you will realize that I'm a bit quiet and it's just simple. Can you zoom this for me? This zone. Can you zoom it? Oh. I want to show you something pertaining price action. If you want to make money in the market, you make more money when the market is trending. If the market is going up, you make a lot of money. If the market is going down, you make a lot of money. But if the market is ranging, that's when you will be blowing account back to back, and you will think as if that somebody is after your life, not knowing that you don't really know what is happening. That is why not every time you will be placing buy and sell. If you look at it, this is Monday, this is Sunday, this is Saturday, and this is Friday. And you look at the way this candlestick, they are moving. They are ranging in one place. So this means that it will give you a clear setup for a sell. When you enter the sell, it will retrace back to your point of entry. Even go back and take your word, a sell, before what continuation. So days like this now, you will hardly see a significant retracement in the market. So if market is dropping like this, the retracement you're likely going to see is something like this. Excuse me, then continuation. But you see in situation like this, the market is going to drop, then it's going to come back to point of entry. Then it's going to drop again. So that's how it will keep on playing you around. So if you're super good in scalping, you get it at the bottom, you get it at the top. But don't forget that because it's on downtrend, this is very, very dangerous. It's likely going to blow your account at long run, right? So that's the main reason why we've been quiet lately. Now, just what we call psychological level on V100, and V100 respects psychological level very well. Our psychological level is a difference of 50 pips from wherever it is. So if you want to get a side, let me get a side level for you guys. We're going to come here. We tap on coming. Tap on our horizontal line. We place it here. Since I said psychological level is a difference of 50 pips, from where the market is 1,400. So let's edit this and see. Come to coordinate. $1,450. Enter. Okay. I'm going to draw like 3 psychological level where it will be relevant for our class today. The next is 1,500, right? So come here, edit also. Tap on my edit. Cancel, delete everything. 1,450, 1,500, sorry. Enter. 1,600 again. One five 50. Oh, come here. Why is this not picking? Place it here. We edit this number. Delete everything. For the last time. This thing don't want you guys to make money today. Oh. This thing don't want you guys to make money today. Okay. 1,550. Enter. Then the last one will be $1,600. 1,600. 1,600. Enter. So now, get your psychological level. Psychological level in fire pips stand as demand and supply. So now when we get our psychological level, still we're on a daily time frame. I didn't save it. Do cancel. I think I should continue this on my screen, right? I didn't save it, so.
zone. So just need to tap here. Just zoom in.
I will continue here because I will have to do it. I will have to like redo it again.
Okay,
so
your phone.
I've already drew the psychological level on my phone.
As long as you can execute straight now. Okay. So join.
I'm already on live.
Yeah, no. I'll make you host. Share screen. Okay, so.
All right, guys. So the psychological level I'm trying to draw on the screen, this is it, right? So you can equally get it on your you can equally get it on your phone, on your MT5. It's just a difference of 50 pips each. Now, if you're seeing, this is my screen, and this is my balance and the rest. Now, you see, I had $101, and I transfer it back to my client area, and I brought it back to what? My MT5. That's why I'm having what, $200 as deposit and the rest, right? So now, you can draw as many psychological level as possible, the one that it will be relevant to you. Going to daily time frame, as I said now, you can clearly see that the market is ranging big time. It's ranging, even though it's on a downtrend, it's ranging massively. So now, because it's ranging now, I need to be very, very careful whatever is happening now. E.g. now, I expect the market to push back to this high, to this demand area before what? Dropping. So let's go to 5-minute time frame. Cause V100 always move onward, 5-minute time frame. So now we're going to scalp. We're going to scalp V100 now, right? Remember, the overall trend is what? A downtrend. But we're going to scalp now. We're going to buy V100 to the next psychological level. So let's execute. Let's execute. Why are they not picking me? Yes, I've entered my first position, right? You can see it already. Now for you, the least lot size you can open on V100 is 0.5, 0.5. And I always tell people not to be greedy, except you have money like big shams. If not, they overflip, right? They overflip. And V100 is a way that you're going to move this capital to something reasonable. Now, majority of you now will be asking me, what then will our stop loss be? What then will our stop loss be? Based on my experience and what we've learned so far, our stop loss should be what? On the recent low. Now, bringing my course, okay, you can see that, okay, we can do what? 1577.09. 1577.09. So let's put it 1577. Okay, it will not pick. So let's put our SL at the bottom here, which is 1569. Please, 1569. 1569. Yes, 1569. Now, majority of you will be asking, okay, why did I take this setup? Why did I take this setup? It has created a lower low here. It has created a lower low here. You see, it has created a lower low here. And it has what? Tap on our psychological level, which is 1,600, and it has come back and grabbed liquidity here. So we expect a push to the upside. But remember, this buy is a temporary buy. I always tell you it's a temporary buy. The overall direction is an uptrend. It's a temporary buy. So on a normal, if I want to trade it the way I'm trading, automatically at this zone, I will go in very, very aggressive, right? I will go in very, very aggressive because I'm setting based on what the market structure that is going to pull up before continuation. So I guess, and I believe that you guys understand something.
Do a mic check. I see no sound.
Oh, there's this thing now.
There is sound on YouTube.
Hey guys, can you hear me? Let's give us some few minutes. No sound. So for those people online now, I'm already up almost $2. This is normally I'm not supposed to trade like this, right? At this push up already, I should be in reasonable profit. But I just want to show you how it works in real life. Okay, how it works in real life. I think you guys are seeing it live. Okay. Sorry, we're working on something right now. I'm already up $3, which is 3% of my account. So on a norm now, I could have gone aggressively, and I'm going to make tons of money with this move because I've already seen that it has grabbed liquidity here. So I just want to show you the right way to do it before we go the abnormal way to do it. So because it's a scalp, and I told you that the overall trend is a downtrend, so it's a scalp, everybody should be really careful of whatever you're doing. Really, really careful. Are you making money or is long story? Are you making money or is long story? I'm up $5. So when I always post blue, you know that it's real now. For you not to be carried away, right? It's still going to push up a little bit before continuation. Based on market structure now, we have a mini supply area here where the market is rejecting. We have a mini supply area here. And I told you that if this is a sell, this signal right now, I will be so happy, right? Because that's the overall trend of the market. But this is not a sell, right? It's a buy, and we're going against it. So we won't be able to keep holding this buy. What can $5 do for you in your life? What can $5 do for you? Someone said shawarma. Nice. Don't worry, let's hold it some more. Let's hold it some more and see if we can make something reasonable. Of course, it's a real account. You can see it. It's a real account. If you're trading a V100, right, you need to be very careful and you need to be fast. That's why whatever we're doing is on a 5-minute time frame.
So Shams, I want to ask you a question before people start asking questions.
I'm coming. I may be exiting now. So you need to just be careful. I may be exiting now, so I'll let you know when I'm going out. Remember, I told you if to say it's a buy, if it's a sell, I would have been the most happiest person. But it's a buy, and I'm going against the market. So you can go ahead and ask me a question.
All right, so I just exited mine now. Yeah, my profit is in $7 right now. I just exited. So do you know the reason why I exited? Can you is he on? Okay, good. I saw that the analysis that when you gave of the analysis, can you just do a brief analysis again? Do the analysis again so that whilst they are alone, they'll be able to know, okay, what exactly you saw. Do it on your phone so that, because since most people will be seeing it from the phone, just go over the analysis again. What they should see on their end before they either go buy or they go for a sell. What should they see? Yeah, what did you see?
Multiple week rejection on psychological level
One.
is the game changer, right? Let me also take my profit first before we continue. Now, I would like to show them something which is very, very important. If this screen can work for us again.
Why don't you do it on phone?
Okay, let me go on phone. Can you see clearly on phone?
Yeah, I can see clearly. Swipe up and just go share. You can see.
Now, when you want to do analysis on V100, the first thing you need to understand is the trend of the market. Where is the market going? Where is the market going? And V100 has been on downtrend for more than 2 years. So I told you to come on daily time frame. And if you check on daily time frame, you can clearly see that the market is ranging for 4 days. That's why majority of you are crying, saying that they blow their account, they make profit, they blow their account. That's because it's not what consistent, it's not moving. Movement like this now, let's say this sell now, this is when you can easily what flip an account with move like this. You can easily flip an account with movement like this because the market is just what trending downward, and the retracement will just be what minor. But you can look at it on daily time frame again. Today the market is ranging. Yesterday ranging. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. So whatever we're doing now, until this market break and show us a clear sign of sell, if not, it should be what a scalping market. The next thing you would do is just to go on, just to go on 5-minute time frame and reposition. 5-minute time frame reposition, pay attention to your psychological level, and then that's it, you're good to go. You're good to go. We've not talked about the risk management side, the psychology side, and the trade management side. So I will be open for more questions before we continue. I'll be open for more questions before we continue.
All right, so here's where we get to take some questions, right? For those who are currently on Zoom, give me the Zoom. Give me the Zoom here. Let me go to see them. Those who are currently on Zoom, let me see if there's any question that you have right now on deriv. So the reason why I want us to do it here, we also do have Williams come on board. So William is going to be taking out on Bitcoin. So today is the only day we're going to be going through the setup. So we've done setup. So he's just going to be giving us signals too on Bitcoin, BTC, on all the cryptos. So we also have Raymond in the house, but right now he's engaged. He's currently doing something. So first, we just want to finish up with deriv. Whilst Shams is relaxing, William will be up here. We'll be trading live back to back. That's what we want to be doing here at the office. So if I'm also going to go on the Forex side of things. So everything is now like everybody have their own niche here. So I'm going to be going. Complete. Everywhere is complete. So we have the indices. Shams is doing indices here. Raymond Raymond is more focused on swinging, things that have to do with more swing. But William here is on crypto. Then I'll be taking Forex. So no problem. So relax, Williams. Now we just made quick $7 or $8, right? So what I want us to do now,
money for shawarma.
Yeah, sharp, quick money. So most important, the thing about the money that we make here is about how we're able to arrive at this thing, and then you're able to do it on your own, the knowledge, right? That's what really counts. So that's why I'm really taking time. I want us to take questions from you guys. You get to ask questions. For those who are on Zoom right now, it's time for you to unmute. Give me the Zoom guys here. Let me be able to see that video on the big screen. All right. Okay, Shams, you want to stop your screen sharing?
Okay. Stop. So many hands.
Yeah. So let's make it big. So let me see hands that are raised. So we're going to first crash on this deriv first, and before we move to the next one. So Shams, you want to come on? Okay. Only unmute. Only allow those to unmute that have their videos turned on. I want to see actual people that I want to see that they're actually taking actions right now. They are learning.
Can I see some of the questions?
No. Okay, from Zoom.
Yeah, from Zoom, guys.
From Zoom, here's the question, sir. We make sure that their question is not. You can toggle on the phone. Allow them to be able to ask question now. Okay, Patrick, how are you doing? Hello, Patrick.
Yes, I can get you. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear you. That way, if you give it a little bit volume, we'll appreciate.
Okay.
Okay, clear.
Yeah, nice being the lesson today. I was just asking him. Can you hear me?
We can hear you.
Yes, I'm just asking Shams. Okay. Because I saw him handling a trade. I also heard that from my end. And I noticed something $4. But I did not understand the conferences he used. That's just what I want to know. The conferences he used to enter the trade.
What if we put volume here? Can we hear from him? Yeah, we can. So you turn that down. Go ahead.
Yes, my question. My question is just about the conferences that Shams used to enter that trade.
Simple. Multiple week rejection at the bottom.
Can people on YouTube hear his question? Okay, good.
It's okay then.
I'm coming. Let me show you something.
Yeah, it's not, I don't know why it's not.
I told you that the market is ranging, right, on higher time frame. So now, because it's ranging on higher time frame, we do not expect continuation of a sell, and we do not expect continuation of a buy, right? So when you look at the trade we took right now, it has already given us multiple week rejection at the bottom after a reasonable drop, right? So now it's a time that, okay, it's going to retrace because that's the way it's moving. It's just a pure knowledge of price action. And what is price action? Candle behaviors on what keys on. That's the confluence that makes me do the trade, right? And on a norm, right? And on a norm, I'm not supposed to just take 0.05, right? I'm supposed to enter a reasonable lot size. But because I'm doing it the right way for you guys to know how it works, that's why I entered with 0.5, right? I think we're going to talk. Who asked the question? What's his name? Patrick, you're in the fire pit, right? You're in the mentorship. So don't worry, you're going to know everything you need to know about this soon. Thank you, Mr. Patrick.
It's okay then. Thank you.
Can I get this guy? Kenneth. I need someone whose face is here. Someone who is live with us. Nobody is on a live video, right? Let me have this guy, Kenneth.
This video is not live. Look for anybody whose video is live.
Okay, unmute Peter.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Cham.
Shams, it's greeting.
Are you hearing me? Good morning.
Good afternoon here. Well done. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. The great two guys are together in the room. So that's amazing.
Honestly,
yeah, okay. Talking about the deriv, I am not be able to trade the volatility 100. So because I activated financial. So
you activate what?
Activate financial.
Okay.
So I'm asking you now, am I supposed to follow the same chart pattern to trade there, because right now I cannot trade the volatility 100 because the account is a very small one, according to my friend. If I use that small account, because it's very volatility is very high, it might take it off. So I should start with the financial. So
Okay.
now, this financial,
What is your account size at the moment?
Come again?
What is your account size that he said is small?
Just $20.
That's the right account size to trade deriv V100. You just need something smaller. You don't even need bigger amount of money. V100, all these synthetic, they are there for you to be able to grow a smaller account. You understand? So when you understand the strategy we're using and you understand your entry, you're okay. You're $2, $3 you trade V100 with.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much, then. I'll give it a try.
Yeah, so just chill up. You follow us, the lectures in the class, and you will be fine about it. You don't need bigger amount of money, please.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. So let me take one more question, I think. It's like it's only guys that want to make money. I'm not seeing any lady. I can't see. Who is this guy? Anita. Where is she? Can you please bring this lady on board? Anita is like, my eyes is going.
No, how old are you?
Hello, Anita. Are you there? Hello, are you there?
Can you hear me?
We can hear you, ma.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
I'm treating you with pain. I'm just like two to 3 weeks in it, and I'm not taking any sleep yet, and I'm loving the deriv. So I opened an account, and from your lectures, I heard you said it's better to deposit.
Yes.
And I don't know what USD entails.
USDT
Dollar account.
It's through Binance. You open an account with Binance, you fund your account through USDT, you transfer the money from USDT to your trading account, which is your client area. I think you should go back and watch this live recording because that's the first thing I did.
No, you don't get my question. I said the USDT, is it a transfer from a US dollar account?
No.
Or someone has
It's just Naira. You buy it once you have a Binance account. You go, you download Binance, you register. It's like the way you used to open a live account with brokers, right? Then you deposit it. When you go there, you navigate the way, you deposit. Then the money will be converted to USDT. Then you transfer that money to your client area in deriv. From your client area, you transfer the money to your MT5.
okay, I understand. I didn't get it as well, so thank you very much. So I'll open a Binance account for men.
Yes, ma.
Okay, thank you very much.
I've taken almost 1 hour.
You know what? Let me talk about that. Like where she's having a little bit of an issue. Also, Anita, what you need to do is you need to either look for a way to buy USDT. All right, you can either do that using Naira on P2P to buy on Binance or even on Bybit. So if you buy on any of these platforms, you have to now transfer that USDT to use. You cannot use it to fund any of your accounts, like maybe your Forex account, your deriv account, or even your trading, your Bybit trading account. Do you understand how to do that? Just download Binance on P2P. You'll be able to use that functionality. You're able to send Naira, or you look for somebody that has USDT. You send Naira to the person gives you USDT in return. That's what you need right now. Does that make sense?
Increase your volume.
Does that make sense? Is she muted?
No, I reduce the volume here.
Yeah. Like she was muted. I just want to make sure that she got that. Okay. She's trying to speak. Can you ask her to unmute? Search for her. All right. Does that make sense? Do you understand now?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Thank you. So let's have some other people that are wanting to ask question regarding the trade that we just took, we executed. All right. So let's have okay, this person's video, Felix video is turned on and he's raising his hand. Felix, yeah, unmute. Okay. Please kindly unmute, Mr. Felix.
Good afternoon. Mr. Shells and Mr. Jeff.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Mr. Shells and Mr. Jeff.
Yeah, good afternoon. We can hear you clearly.
Yeah, how you doing?
You're good.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, while Mr. Shams was taking us through how to fund the account, I think I didn't really get that.
Okay.
So please, will the video be posted after the cast?
Yeah, immediately after this live right now, you can come back again and watch this video on YouTube. The link is posted on the Telegram channel where you can get to watch it again.
Okay, thank you. And yesterday I made the transfers to join Fire Pips. Okay. But I think I've not been admitted. I spoke to Mercy, the customer care.
Okay.
So she said you were to ascertain if you received the money before we admitted.
That would be immediately, it will be handy. Since you're speaking to her, she definitely will have it done. I'm sure it should be done by now already. The matter is being treated.
Okay, because I can't wait to be a part. Thank you so much. I appreciate this, and I hope we would get in-depth knowledge of this so that we can start making funds like you guys.
100%. Definitely will get value for the money.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So let's have someone. Okay. Who else is on? Let's have this one. Is it Ian? Uh-huh. All right. Let's take some few more questions. Then we have. Let me also take from YouTube. Let me have the one on YouTube. Let me take some questions. So YouTube, you can start sending your questions right now. So
hello, afternoon, Mr. Jeffrey.
Yeah, good afternoon.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine. I've been watching your video. Very lovely. I really impressed about you. I really impressed me a lot. You see, because many times I've been trading for 2007, and I found out because I didn't trade and make money. But after I have a lot of mentors, so I have like 2 or 3 or 4 mentors, and just by the way. So, but I got very confused. I couldn't make money again. So that was by the way. And another thing, Mr. Shams talked about the deposit. I think a little bit. Actually, I have money in the Binance, but the money is not much. I think 23, but I don't know how to transfer it to deriv. Or maybe there'll be more explanation on that. And I want to come to office, but I see that they talk about, I'm in Ibadan, so I want to come to office, but they talk about Wednesday and Thursday, but that will not be possible for me. I don't know how you're going to do it down for me. But it's not now, but if I want to come, I'll come maybe Friday or Saturday. I don't know, that's my question. And the deriv, I have not found it. So, but there is something that happened. You know, there's a kind of movement, a structure on the 15 minutes. Because where you enter, it's not a psychological level. So, okay. You know, I get confused. It's in between, you know, the market is already in the middle. So I want to know, to get that one, you know, I get confused there. So I don't know what's happening there, but you guys know you are very much skillful. So
okay.
I just need the clarification on that. Thank you.
Okay, good. So what Sean just simply did was I gave him an obligation to make sure he plays trades today and then we'll get to make money. So that's why he took that trade. So that's why it was just a scalp. The only thing he did there was that, can you give me the screen now?
It's the screen already.
Give me the screen, good. So all he just did was he made, give me the, yeah, he added a horizontal line. There's a psychological level here, if you would agree with me, 1600.
Okay.
There's one here. Double tap. All right. Double tap. He corrected it to this point. How do we get that drop down now? Full screen. Actually, exit. Ah, this is entering full screen. Sorry, hold on. We're trying to. Now, sorry, please just give me a sec. They're trying to.
Okay, no problem.
Not this techie. Okay, now, good. Okay, just allow me in now. Thank you. So you can see there's a psychological level actually in that place. So one more thing is, I want to shrink this one. I'm just shrink it. Yeah. Move it the exact same way. Good. Yeah. So we have this psychological level there, which has to be, which is 1600. So talking about, somebody was asking again, how do you do PIP calculation on YouTube? Somebody asked right now. So all you need to do is to press on this roller to the same way you do on your normal trading view. So you click from here and you measure. So it should be around when this one turns 5. So that'll be how many? 1, 2, 3. That'll be 500,000. Make one gap. 500,000 movement. Hold on. 500,000 is just like equivalent to 50 pip here.
Okay.
So let me do that calculation again for you guys. Since you have gotten one, you calculate from here. You have to calculate for 500,000. So here, 500,000. So the next one should be 1650, right? You're going to come here, pick up your horizontal line and drop. Double tap, and then you change it to 1650. Like what he was just teaching you now. 16. All right. Like that, that's how you keep adding it. So you said, what did he see that made him to execute, right? He saw the suggestion already. Remember when he also said that it's not an ideal place for him to get in, right? But you only just have to get in for some reason. That reason is that because I told him that we must trade today. So this is supposed to be his ideal entry point. So that when price is even, you notice that. Let me zoom in.
Is there any trend line there? Is there any trend line there?
Sorry, is there what?
Support the, is there any trend line there that support the week?
Yeah. There's a trend line too. You can have a trend line too. Have it that way.
Okay.
A new trend line, yes. A new trend line like this. All right. Yeah. Can have it this way now. Since we now have a new low, you can have it this way. What minutes is this one? This is. Oh, this is 5 minutes. Let me change it to 15. 15. That thing is not supposed to be there. 15 is just supposed to be 2 bottoms. 1 and 2. All right. Yeah. So we saw that this is a point of like of a retest.
Okay.
That's what he saw. So that a point of a retest. This is supposed to be our exact buy entry. You get?
Okay.
Okay. Before you finish explaining, because I already got here, so that's why I still executed and we hopped out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Right. So,
Mr. Jeffrey, please, can I say one thing?
Okay.
Please, yesterday when we were having a general this thing on Telegram, or I don't know.
Okay.
I think you have to watch on the people that, I don't know, I'm just saying. Yesterday, when there's some people that pop up on my this thing, they said I should chat with them or something like that. So please, you have to, so that they will not bug any individual person's laptop.
Wow.
Like two people
How is that? Can you help us with more information on that so that it can help us to track what?
I don't know. They just pop in and they said we can maybe chat together or something like that, or have a kind of writing. So I found out that thing can affect anybody's laptop, or they can plug into it. But I'll say I'll make sure that one today, please.
Thank you very much.
On that,
anyone receive anything like that, just the person to us. Thank you very much.
I don't remember the name. Okay. I just delete them, the two.
No problem. Our tech team will check here.
Please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, please. I'm coming to office. I don't know. Maybe that will be on one. I want to come maybe Thursday or Friday. I will not be able to have during that Wednesday or Thursday. Please.
Anytime you come around, you're welcome.
Okay. Should I call? Because you said you have to call before I call.
Yes, so just call the line, or you talk to your community manager. The person will tell you the time to come. So
who's my community manager? Is he on the? Because I was the 6 month distance.
Yeah. Your community manager 6 months is who?
Yeah, 6 months. Yeah.
Tolani is your community manager, so contact Tolani in the group. She will tell you what.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you. So let me attend to those on YouTube. So on YouTube, we have some couple of questions here on YouTube. So he's asking, okay, I'll pay for mentorship today. Okay, good. How can we deposit? Sham went over this. So give me this slide again. Can you give us this slide? Good. So you have to do to deposit. This is zone login area. Or you need to, first thing, when you click on, you should be landing in your traders hub. Okay, no, not here. Yeah, traders hub. And then you have deposit here. This is a deposit option right here. Or you can also go to cashier too. Click on cashier. Shams, thanks. Click on cashier. You see this deposit? You see this deposit area? Make sure here is toggled on. And then you can either use this option or this option. But I highly recommend this one, the cryptocurrency, because it's faster and easier. All right. So how do you get crypto first? You buy either on P2P on Binance with your Naira or with your local currency, maybe South African rand or anyone at all. You buy and then you click on here. Let me just give you a quick demo on how it works. So you click here. So it immediately declares that select the coin which you want to use. So you want to click on TRC20, click on continue. So once you do that, this account information comes out. So you have to scan the barcode, or you just take this deposit wallet and implement it. And then any money you sent in there immediately reflects in your USDT back office. From there, you now transfer, on your deriv back office, right? On your deriv back office. So from there, you now click on transfer. You have to transfer from your deriv TRC20 to your MT5, all right? Just click transfer. Any amount, you specify the amount here. Then you click on transfer. So there's no money showing here because there's no money on the landing account. The whole money right now is in the MT5 already, so there'll be no need for that. So that's how to deposit. So let me take another question again from YouTube. Okay, so that's on YouTube. Why are we having deriv now being added? Good question. Okay, so the reason why, Jeff, have you stopped? I saw another one again. Jeff, have you switched from GBP/USD and now trading deriv? No. So what I'm trying to do here, there's a certain point you get to, you have to start accommodating more other people. You would agree, no matter how very good you are in Forex, you might not be as good as that in crypto. And no matter how good you are in crypto, you might not be as that good in Forex. And meanwhile, there are some other people that just want to be major in crypto. Some other people just want to be major in deriv, in volatility. They like one. So now, since we don't have the capacity to have everybody, because that's what we have been doing at the back end, having every other person go train on different space. Now that they are done, is now an opportunity to bring them out and to teach you. Now you don't have to just be forced to now learn Forex, since you really want to learn with FirePip, but then you're a VIX trader and now you have to be subjected to trading GU. Now the story is now different. If you love VIX, come on, we can teach you VIX. If you love crypto, you still can come on, we can still teach you that. So for me, I'm still doing my Forex. I'm a pure Forex guy. So since that's what that made me a lot of money. So I still trade GBP/USD. On weekends, it's just for me to look for extra money. I can still trade deriv, I can trade crypto and all of that. So that's why we now have, it's just for me to announce that we now have everything all encompassing in one place. So that's the answer to that. So you can still trade On Forex, take one pair like GBPSD. On deriv, trade one pair, which is VIX 100. On crypto, trade one thing, maybe BTC USDT or anything, or Solana USDT, anything at all. But then just know that you know what you're doing. Have plans for everything. Separate account for all of them. Everything. The goal is to make extra more money. All right. If you understand, let's drop number 2 in the chat box. Drop number 2 in the chat box. Makes sense. So let me take some more questions, and then I will be moving directly to Shams. Do you see another trade opportunity right now?
Yeah.
We have another one.
Still get into a buy if we wait for this market.
Use your mic. Use your mic.
Okay, we can still get in a buy, right? Because it's likely going to clear this high.
Equal high.
Yes, but we need to wait for it to come back again.
Where will our stop loss be? So our stop loss will be here. Hold on. Just take it. Just map your thing. Yeah. No, not there. Use this one. Use this long and short functionality. Yeah.
Clear this recent high, and our stop loss should be immediately below. Our stop.
Tap once. And you're just you're tilting it too much. How? Immediately load this
Below
one.
this trend line. Yeah, so you have to wait for it a little bit to drop back a bit before, because it should clear this recent high, because the market is ranging. So it should clear this recent high.
Okay.
Even the other one. So
okay, amazing. So what Sham is saying now.
If we go on 5-minute time frame, we're going to clearly see a multiple week rejection here.
Okay. He's expecting that this high gets cleared out. So that's what you have to scalp. So, but first you have to wait for a little bit of retracement to come down to this trend line before you go ahead and buy. All right, go ahead.
Some people will be confused. Why did we take the sell here? Why did we take the buy here? And we did not hold. Hello, is it on? Hello, can you hear me? The reason why we took it here and exit fast is because we're going against the trend of the market, one. Number two, for us to be very, very flexible, we need to enter, come out, because we're trying to grow an account. That is why we centered our learning, our entries on 5-minute time frame. So when you come or when you meet me in person, you will realize that I trade deriv like a game. It's more like a game to me, right? In the sense that I will enter, exit. Now at this zone, it has given us a clear setup for a continuation. At this zone now, look at what happened here. It has given us a clear setup. It has cleared this high, then drop back and retest this psychological level. So this is what the buy we're supposed to take. Now that it has come back again, we wait for it to come back and retest somewhere. Then we can get an entry. Remember, I will keep telling you, because it will burn you if you do not follow this. Whatever you're doing, if it is a buy, you should be careful. But if it is a sell, you can just sell and go and sleep, right?
Okay. I think you talk about on YouTube. Talk about lot size. Like how many? What's the minimum lot size on V100? How much does it give to you? Talk about that.
The minimum lot size on V100 is the lot size you see I open on the live, which is 0.5, right? That's the minimum lot size you can open. And when you open 0.5 and it goes from first psychological level to the next psychological level, you're going to make what? 40 USD, right? And you just need 0.8 cent in your account to be able to open this 0.5.
Can we experiment that? I want you to experiment that. Just use my phone. Use my phone to experiment it. Okay, now just share screen. Bring the microphone closer to my mouth.
Okay.
Okay, just share screen.
Let me show you.
Click here. Screen. Star. Experiment so that we'll be able to understand. Well, hold on. MC5 here. This is the one I'm in on. All right. So just try to place the minimum lot size and let them see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, the minimum lot size, let me show you something. You see 0.3, 0.4. you see it will be showing red, right? So the minimum lot size you can open is 0.5. 0.5. Then we tap on this now. Now you can see I sell it, right? So you can see on our balance now we have $240, $242, right? Then on our equity we still have the same 240.
For them so that they
on our equity we still have what 242. Yeah. The fluctuation is very low. Then what I want you to pay attention to is just your margin.
No, share your margin screen for YouTube guys.
It's your margin that I want you to pay attention to. Now you can see the margin they want or they are accepting for you to be able to open 0.5, which is the minimum, is 0.81 cent. Right? So if you have $2, you will be able to open one standard. And if you open one standard on psychological level, which we call sniper entry, that's when you will see somebody flipping $2 to $50 on deriv. You'll be flipping $10 to even $100 because his entry are perfect, right? So you can clearly see what is there, right? So I think I've done justice to that question, right?
Yeah, hold on a bit. They didn't show it to the YouTube people. So Zoom will understand you, but people on YouTube might not understand. Please just hold on. We are taking that thing again. Okay. Are you on? So can Zoom see it now? YouTube? Okay, show here. Let me see here. Shams, go ahead and place on that trade again to explain to those on YouTube.
I'm still on the trade.
Okay, yes, exactly.
I'm still. Now, for those who are on YouTube, right, the least lot size you can open on V100 is 0.5. It's 0.5. 0.5, that's the least. You can't go below 0.5 so that you won't be able to open 0.4 and the rest. Now, when you open 0.5, you just need 0.81 cent for you to be able to open this 0.5. Right? So what did I mean? You can see that, okay, my margin is the money they are willing to accept from you. Margin. So they want you to just give them 0.81 cent for you to be able to open what 0.5. That's why you see someone with $5 or $10 flipping it towards something huge. That's because he has what? He has get his entry on the main zone that he's supposed to get his entry, which you will be hearing them calling sniper entry, sniper entry. In real life, I don't trade like this, right? In real life, I stack a lot because I already know my what entries. So I stack a lot, right? So that's how it is. Now let me take this $2 that is running in profit. We don't joke with profit here.
All right, go ahead. You have to be switching from his phone to this screen.
Now remember that V100, as I keep telling you, is not something that you just deposit bigger amount of money. Doesn't need your what money here. Just come with something little and do it like a game. Like a game. Be placing it since it's on 5-minute time frame. Be placing it and be making get $10, $20 you exit, $10, $20 you exit. Before you know, you've grown your account to something big. Now, if you have mastered this, the next thing is you will want to know the accuracy on your psychological level. Such that when it comes to your psychological level, leave multiple week rejection, that's when you will go in aggressively, right? Then a little pullback, you're going to make tons of money. Then you reposition. That's how it works, right? Now, this analysis, many will now start, okay, let's start buying. No, you wait and see the reaction of candlestick here before you follow the buy, right? So I think I've done justice to that.
Close out the trade, please. That man let me take my $5.
Okay, is there any question?
Okay, good. That's all for now. Thank you very much. So that's how to trade on deriv. That's clean. So let me check on YouTube. Let me just go ahead and check on YouTube. Okay, so many other question. If you really want to know how to trade clearly on deriv, that's the best time for you to come to Fire Pip mentorship. Give me the screen. Let me show them something real quick on Fire Pip mentorship. What they don't know yet. So all you just need to do is to be. Okay, I want to say something.
Now, many people think that many people.
Mike, okay.
Many people think that okay, if I get an entry and I'm seeing $5, $10, no, I want it to go big. That's not how to do it. Since you are on 5 minutes, you always see setup, and if you play it like a game, you're collecting $5, $10, $5, $10. At the end of the day, you must have accumulated something huge. So don't come with a mindset that if I get it first, it must give me. Not be you that control the market, right? So play it as a game until you have what gather capital that you will be able to hold a setup. Please. Thank you. So you can.
So William, hold this one. Make sure I just turn it off. You did want to turn it on. All right, easy peasy. Can everybody hear me? Everybody can hear me clearly. Okay, good. So I now what we're basically saying essentially, if price gets here to this point, we are looking to go short soon. I mean, to go long rather. So if price gets here, we are going to long it. So be on the lookout on this trade. Be on the lookout. If price comes down a bit, me I'll go long. Me I'm interested in this trade. I want us to practicalize that one. Why that one is on? But that's by the side. So, but what you can do again is, if you really want to become a member at FirePip, what you need to do is to come to firepipfx.com. So easy peasy, just click here. We have a test. If you are not so confident here, you're not sure what to do, you can just start with our free course to see if it's something you really want to do. All right. But I know you definitely would want to be here. All right. So you click on here, firepipfx.com. So when you click on firepipfx.com, there are two courses here. The one, join free course, free class, and enroll now. If you want to be directly, you want to become a member ASAP, all you just need to do is to click on the enroll now. But if you want to test out our free stuff first, you want to click on join free, fill up this form, and then immediately you'll be landed with the free class. But if you want to be a part of the mentorship plan, these are the prices you need. For monthly, it's for $9, 3 months is $9, 6 months is $225, and then the 12 months is $399. So any one of them that you choose is absolutely fine. But if you don't want any of these things, you don't want to learn, you want to just be receiving email from us, you just want to be keeping up with us, kindly give us, subscribe to our newsletter, come down here and put in your email, and then just following up what we're doing. And you can also follow up us on Instagram. But I mean, how would you see things like this? You don't want to be a part of it. So read things up here, and you can also check some testimonial of other people who have been around. And what we just basically do here is not like rocket science. It's simply, we are teaching you, or just to have to make extra income. All you just need to do is to pay the educators for the time that they're using in teaching you, all right? Because since they're already making money on their own side, so the fees are very, very minimal here, and it's also online based. And we get to teach you every day of the week. We have classes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. So now we're about to add the Saturday one, where we get to teach deriv and get to trade live like we did last week, Saturday. So if you made money live with us on Saturday, I want you to drop value in the group or anywhere you are, whether you're on the Zoom, on anywhere, any streaming platform, on YouTube, just drop value, just write value if you made money live. So we're going to be repeating that same thing today, on which we also repeated right now. We're also going to be replicating it too on next week, Saturday. So there's always value everywhere that we give. So, I mean, this is the best time to join, because some of these things, the pricing might just be up in no time, because we keep adding extra curriculum for the same price, on and on. All right. We also do have Fire Calculator, where you get to do your risk calculation every now and then. But one thing that I'm telling you guys we are going to add soon is we're going to add deriv calculator here. You'll be able to calculate how much you stand to risk on deriv even before you take the trade. So also on crypto pairs too. We're also going to be adding that. So team, they're currently developing that. So you will have that in no time. So let me leave the floor for William. So Williams, you want to go on and show us how to trade Bitcoin, or give us Bitcoin signal. Thank you very much. And over to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. have it pinned on your stuff.
All right, so good afternoon, everyone. Just for this. Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Whichever part of country you're joining us from, you're highly welcome here. So basically, I'll be teaching on how to trade Bitcoin. But basically,
You would forget. So let me put it here.
all right, thank you. Yeah, so basically, I'm gonna show you how to trade Bitcoin. I'll give you a signal how to trade, signal on what I'm looking out for basically today. So I'll just go over to my trading view. You go back to trading view. Then click on enter. Track all market. Product. Then super chart. When you click on super chart, let's change it to BTC USD, which is crypto. BTC USD. So on the Bitcoin US dollars, the one you'll be using is look for Bybit. The reason why we're using I'll tell you the reason why we're using Bybit, because so that whenever you place a trade, it will be synchronizing with the one on your exchange or MT4, whichever one you're using. So make sure you use Bybit. Okay, Bybit perpetual. Exactly this one. You click on it. Perpetual contract. Make sure your own is looking like this on trading view, please. So now, what's my bias for today? Please, whatever you're doing on Bitcoin, don't sell. I'm serious. If you sell, you're going back to the village ASAP. So just look for buy. Look for buy. This 15 minutes. What I'm expecting is just a retracement down. Then we're shooting for a buy. Please. And what are my confluences? I'll show you my confluences. Let me first of all show my confluences. I'm a day trader. So what I'll do is I'll just go back to the daily time frame, look for the overall direction of the market. See, don't sell. Do not sell this market. I'm telling you the truth though. If you sell, they better told you. All right, then I'll draw my trend line. Okay. Please just enter a small position now, a little bit, so we don't miss out. You don't miss out on this trade.
So William, what I would like you to do is to do it on phone for them. So let me
Okay.
my phone screen. Use my account to place the trade for them.
Okay. Okay, nice. Thank you.
So this is crypto class. Someone is asking, is it Forex or
No, this is crypto. This is Bitcoin US dollars, specifically Bitcoin. If you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin, if you want to make money with Bitcoin.
All right. So this is already sharing.
Okay.
So what you could do is just to go to Bybit.
All right. Okay, nice. So let's click on trade. You see?
Okay.
Yeah. We click on trade.
Take this one out. Okay, you want it to come here? Okay, call it. Call it. 84.
Yes. Please.
Okay, finally. We're in. So William, you can go on now.
All right, nice. So basically, what you have here is $288. This Bybit exchange. This is your Bybit exchange, please. When you come to Bybit exchange, because I'm very sure that Jeffrey has taught you how to deposit, on how to withdraw. So we want to place trade now using Bybit exchange. So what we do now is what? This Bitcoin US dollar showing, this is available, this is where you place trade. The other part is where you can analyze, but you just come to trade on this place. Remember, probably when you enter the trade, it will be at home. It will be at home. What you just do is come to trades. If your pair is not Bitcoin US dollars, you just have to change it to Bitcoin USDT, BTC USDT. That's what you'll be placing. Then the available balance will be showing. Sometimes if you're using iPhone, your available balance will be up, but if you're using Android, it will be below. So now the available balance here is 288 USDT. The first thing you'll be seeing here is limit. We don't use limit order. Limit order is when market, probably you're expecting a buy, expecting market to come and trigger you below before going up. Do you understand? But what you're expecting here is what you're using is market execution, instant execution, the same thing. Market or instant execution, they're all called the same. Then what I would like to use on my market order is, my order value is USDT. So I'll just put the amount I want to risk. Let's say on this trade, we want to risk $10 because of our entry for a buy. You just have to put it, or you just change it, put it by yourself. You can change it yourself. Let's say $10. You can see it. So once I click on buy Bitcoin, it clicks on buy Bitcoin. So once I click buy Bitcoin, this is where your order will be reflected. Your order will be opened down beneath here. But I don't want to buy now because I said the market should have to retrace a little bit before we now decide to buy. But the market is buy, please. Do not sell. Can I get trading view? Can I get the trading view so I'll show them? So this is just how to place trade on the interface. If you're not using market execution, you can go ahead and use limits. Let's say you're busy. Probably you are that type of person that is going to the office. You don't want to use market execution, that you're expecting market to come down. So you just click on buy limit. But I'm not using buy limit today. What I'm using is market execution, but I'm 24 hours on the charts. I'm active. I'm always active on the chart. So I'm using market execution. Okay, yeah. Thank you. So sorry, I just want to analyze the chart. So I'll tell you why I'm looking for a buy. Okay, nice. We come over to the 1 hour time. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Why is this not showing? The time frames. Okay. Okay, now I'll just go back to the one. Now you have analyzed. See, the market is on uptrend. So do not do anything to start selling. Just come over to the 4 hours time frame. Let's plot our trend line. Plot trend line from here. Then plot it from here. Then come over to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. All right. Implement trend line. Yes. Then come over to this 1 hour time frame already. So there's a trend line that needs to go like this. Internal trend line that we need to go here. But please, let's just go over to the 15 minutes, I beg. We'll go over to the 15 minutes. All right. So please, when market retraces a little bit, do well to buy. Please, do well to buy. All right. All right. That's it. Thank you so much. So this is where I'm expecting market to come to for me to shoot for a buy. Yeah. This buy is aggressive, guys. It's aggressive. It's an aggressive buy. Don't play with it. Or Bitcoin, the maximum pips you need to be using for Bitcoin day trading is 75, and that's when you're using psychological levels. So if I plot my psychological levels here, there'll be a psychological level around this area that I'm expecting to buy. So let's plot psychological level. Yeah, around this area. So double click on it, then change our coordinate. How do you change our coordinate on Bitcoin? It's simple, please. Just yeah, so I'll click on 0, then 1.43,150. The psychological level I'm using on Bitcoin is 50 pips difference for 3,150, and it respects psychological level very, very well. So please enter. Okay. So now this is psychological level here. There's a trend line here. There's a W pattern formation. Market breakouts want to retest. Then we're expecting a buy, a massive buy. Please do not sell. Do not sell. Whenever you're looking for cryptocurrency, do not sell. So I'll just put my stop loss to be 75 pips here. I'll also be entering the trade, and I'll be updating you on the Telegram channel too. So feel free to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below as well. Okay, 75 pips. Exactly. Okay. Okay. So now it should be 75 people I'm expecting. That's my stop loss. The market comes here now. Based on the candlestick reaction on psychological levels. Based on the candlestick reaction on psychological levels, that's where my entry will be. And my stop loss should be beneath. That why is 75 pips stop loss is that, you know, I won't tell you the reason why 75 pips stop loss. There's a reason for that, but why is 75 pips stop loss? Due to psychological levels, and that's how you have to place it for you to get a 75 pips stop loss on Bitcoin US dollars. So if market go against you with that 75 pips, just know you're wrong immediately. You just have to close out and wait for more re-entries. All right. So if you have any question based on Bitcoin, I was able to show you how to place a buy on using your exchange, and I was also able to show you why my analysis is a buy, why I'm having a buy bias on Bitcoin US dollars. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. I'm here to make that happen. Any question on Zoom or YouTube?
Zoom.
Yeah.
Zoom. I should give it to you.
Okay, this password is.
Teach us how to.
Okay, let me show them how to place the trade on exchange. No, please. What you use? Okay, let me show you. Let me share the exchange. Let me share my screen. Yeah, let me share my screen. Do not use, please.
Okay, you know what? Wills.
Yeah.
What you need to do for us is show us how to the signals that have been sent on this Telegram channel.
Okay.
How do I take advantage of the signal and make money from them?
Okay.
Just show, like, go to the. You can come here. You come on my Telegram. All the signals they've been seeing on this on our page, like these ones. Avax.
Okay, there's one Sol. So I saw Solana now.
now. No, there's a place there are plenty here.
Okay.
Use this one now, BNB USDT.
All right.
Short sell. use this one to experiment and place trade on the Bybit app so that they can be taking advantage of all this free stuff.
Okay, nice. So now let me use example of this one. Can I share my screen too?
Press here.
Okay.
Oh, he signed out again. Okay, yeah. I want to bring this one up.
All right, thank you. So now let me use this example. Let me use this BNB USDT short as an example. The entry price is what? Market price. This market price now is where you're going to enter. You come to your BNB, your Bybit.
This is my personal phone. You don't want to be showing too much things, bro.
Yeah.
Where I get hacked here now.
Sure.
Okay.
So you now have to change it. Now it's showing BTC USDT. You just come here and click on BNB. Change it to BNB. Type it BNB USDT. So this is how it looks like, right? We come. Let's go over to. It's saying our market price. We enter the market price and the stop. So this market price is saying is instant execution. Please, is it instant execution? Whenever you see entry market price, it means instant execution. That means we missed this trade. He called it around 9 o'clock, after 9. But whenever you see market price, that what he or she is saying is that you should enter immediately at that market price now. Your stop loss, what you're going to do to your stop loss is 307.30. So you come here, market price, you put on the value you want, which is USDT, the amount of USDT you want to risk. Let's say you want to reach $10 of our USDT. You click on $10, then our stop loss. When you click on buy BNB right now, you can now change our stop loss. But for let me put take profit stop loss, then trigger price should be, our USDT trigger price should be 307.30. 307. Oh, this one spot, sorry. Please come over to.
Let me assist him. Yeah. So while we are here, now what he's saying is simple. You click on derivatives.
Yeah.
So under derivative, you click on trade. On that trade, so you don't this USDT, it should be 10%. So you can just move this into to say 10%. If 10% is saying 260 USDT, that is our only money here. Since we are using 10x leverage and just isolated, we're only dropping 1% of this transaction or 10% of this transaction. The other one is being provided by the broker as leverage, right? So you have to click here for take profit. Hold on, let me circle it for them because they'll not be able to know where you're clicking. X again. Click X on your end. Click X on your phone.
Yeah.
So let's just break it down. Use this one to explain to them what to do. Break it down.
So now, please, before where I was spot, we don't use spot to trade. You can use it to just convert your BTC to USDT or whatever cryptocurrency you have. But if you want to take advantage of this movement, you come to USDT perpetual, which is on derivative. So when you come here, isolated means that whatever amount of money, what you say that if market comes and take you out, you should not enter into other positions that you have, like other amount of money you have in your exchange. So if market hit us out on 100%, we're risking only the one we have for Bitcoin USDT. So now that's why we're using isolated. Then 10x is the amount of leverage that the exchange is giving to you to trade. Okay. So now what you have to do based on that signal that we have, the entry price is market price. You just click on buy, then put our stop loss. This way you put your stop loss. When you click on take profit stop loss, this is it. Yeah, take profit stop loss. You click on it. If it's long is buy, which short is sell. Yeah, you now put on trigger price. Our trigger price should be, let's say, okay. The price they put is $307.30 US. Yeah, sorry. No, that's not our price. This is market price. So I will just enter here. Okay, so just come around. Yeah.
So there's something. Go back to Telegram. Something you guys have to notice. Yeah. Yeah. So whenever somebody say entry market price, it simply means when did the person send the signal? The person sent the signal at 9:04. That is 9 p.m. Right? So if you say market price, as at the time that he sent the signal, the current market price there, that's what he's expecting you to sell.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a short signal, sell. what you need to do first, come to your Binance, go to your Bybit rather, go to Bybit. When you come on your Bybit, you are selling. You come since it's on, you click on shorts, right? So you want to take profit, go back to check the take profit value. Take profit here is 298.25. So go back and change it. Yeah, just take it from
so there. It's going to be 298.25 exactly.
Check.
8.25.
Thank you.
So now, what you're going to do? When next, you know what the amount of money you want to risk is. The stop loss level, you come over to the stop loss level. This way our stop loss level is, please. The stop loss trigger is 292. I'll explain this take profit. Our stop loss level should be what? 307.30.
Yeah.
So click on 307.30. So now once you're done, this is how to enter, this is how to set it up, guys. Once you're done, click on done. You click on confirm. Now, the reason why it didn't trigger is because that market price is no longer active on that price currently.
Put it on DND now. My person is calling wrong time. You want to be called by your word.
Okay.
All right, so you just go ahead. I just want, though, you remember, guys, we made profit on this signal.
Yeah.
So 22%. That's a lot of money. We made about 22% on this signal, BNB USDT. All right, I just wanted him to run you through in case you guys see any of these signals. You guys shouldn't be joking around with these signals
it's better you can use the Bitcoin on to show them.
Which are the Bitcoin?
Like at the beginning signal, yeah, give it to them.
Okay.
So let's use Bitcoin as example now.
To execute.
Right. So now here's the perpetual still on the same Bitcoin US dollars. Make sure it's on Bitcoin US dollars.
He's not sharing. Okay, he stopped sharing because of the call, I guess.
Oh.
Hold on. I think the Zoom left. Just give us a few seconds. We'll connect this one now. Yeah. Okay, this is a live stream, so guys, just be patient. You know, when you're trading live, everything cannot just be perfect straight up. So that's why it's important to you guys just take it easy, slowly, and then it's a system that we're still trying to perfect.
All right,
so
nice.
Just follow him.
Okay, nice. So now this Bitcoin US dollar showing. Let me use an example of what we had today. Remember we said that I'm entering for a buy. Let's use it now. Isolated. Markets on isolated. Yeah. This is isolated. Please, if your RAV3, if your stuff is on cross margin, please remove it and put it to isolated. Change it to isolated now, please. So your leverage should be, because you're starting, use 10x for the meantime. Before, once you start getting familiar with Bitcoin, you can now start to increase your leverage to 100%. Like we have almost 125% of it, 100x to 100x. Okay, so let's reduce this to 5 to 10. Then our market price, now we're expecting markets to what? To come beneath the level it is, which is we're not going to use market order now. What I'm going to use now is limit order. This one here, limit order. But I told you that I'm using market order because I'm 24 hours on the chart. That's why I'm going to use market order. But if you're not 24 hours on the chart, just wait for limit order to come. Limit order, the reason for limit order is the fact that market comes to that particular area that you want to enter and trigger you for the buy. So click on limit order, then put the order price. What's the order price? Our order price is, can I see my trading view? Can I get trading view? Okay.
Press X. Press it to your drawing mode. I'll take profit hit already.
All right, so let's just wait for market to retrace a little bit here. Now, if for this limit now, if market retraces back here, please do not enter. Just wait for candlestick reaction here. The market retraces a little bit back. So that this now when you're going to be using limit order, your limit order. This is when you're going to be using limit order for it. So market retraces back here around this area. The market retraces back here. This is where we now be using. So what's our limit order here? 43,154. So it comes to order price 43,154. Then the other value of USDT you want to risk is what? Let's say you want to risk $10. You just put it here, $10. Then you take profit and stop loss. Can I go over to my Zoom now? My take profit and Zoom. Okay. Okay, sit here. Yeah. I'm confused. Yeah, thank you. So I'll go over to my buy bit now. So now, then this I'll take profit should let's say I'll take profit should be $44,000, right? Then our stop loss should be what? So remember 75 pips of it should be 43,000. Let's say 100. So you just click on done. Once you click on done, you confirm. Once you click on confirm, it needs to be shown out here. Let me put it again. Buy long. Okay, minimum other cost is exceeded. So you just put on 43,000. Sorry guys, I'm coming. 43,150. Then our quantity, just $10. Then put our take profit and stop loss. Let's adjust it. Our take profit is $44,000. Then our stop loss should be 43,150. Then click on done. Then expect it to come. Yeah.
Stop loss price must be lower
than the other price. Let me check the other price, please. The other price we put here was 43,150. Okay, so 43,100. Let's put 43,050. Then confirm. So once market, he's not bringing it out here. Okay.
You have to see the order.
Yeah, the order needs to be showing. So I will.
Concurrent.
Okay.
Okay, go back again.
Confirm.
It's placed.
It's placed already.
So it's placed. You want to click on drop down.
All contracts. Yeah.
Come to positions.
It's showing that position.
Check current to all. I sure it's placed.
Yeah, I placed it. So let's go over. Let me just go over it again. Let me just use the market.
All times now.
Okay. So now what we have to do now is because of it's on limit. Because it's on limit, our price was 43,150. The amount of dollars we want to risk is $10. Then once click on buy, which is this area here. What you're saying is when market comes to 43,150, should trigger it for what? A buy. So that's what I was expecting. Let me see trading views to know the current market price, please. All right. So this is what I'm expecting market to come to. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm expecting market to come to. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, for 3,000. So that's the limit. Buy limit amount. Let's put it to.
Or can you just send? Okay, let's do something like this now.
Yeah.
Let's do something else. So So when the price is already there, you're going to have the signal sent to them at that time.
Okay.
So you're going to have a call out for them. So I'm happy that can you put the camera now? I'm happy that you guys can see that William is obviously struggling with using this Bybit app. Have this recording on because I know that by more time we'll become a pro. We can only show you to humble him. Alright, but good. It's because he's so new to this app and he doesn't really know how to use apps yet. He prefers trading off with a forex broker, which he knows. So the downside of trading with a forex broker like Bitcoin, cryptos, other forex brokers is that the spreads are usually very high. So Williams, what can you just come before you go, please? Before you go.
All right.
I want you to make a commitment that you're going to show us when this trade comes to 40. What's the level?
43,150.
43,150. You're going to give us this signal. Is that a promise?
Yeah, definitely.
This trade must be a win.
It's a win already.
If you don't win, you will give us back our money.
Definitely.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. So give me. Okay.
But if you have any question, can you let me know?
If you have any question regarding any of this, can you let us know? And then I'll direct that to him right now whilst we are here. Let us know right now. Okay, so Williams, just stay here. So when any question comes from Arnold, give me on Zoom. Give me Zoom first. Zoom, give me the Zoom screen here. So if you have any question, please kindly let us know. So let me ask Williams before he leaves. Sorry? Okay, thanks. Go ahead. Someone said I used MT4. What should I do then? So if you use MT4, it's very simple. If somebody you have been doing trade, what Williams used to, you're just like Williams now. You said you use MT4. Florence. It's like Williams. So you just need to just not exactly the same trade. Place your limit order at 43,150. One price get there, you get triggered. Easy peasy. I don't think we should be showing about MT4 again, because MT4 is very straightforward and simple. But that's what we've been using. Bybit app is also very straightforward because we are used, but let me see it. We are coming from Forex background. So let me have lower all hands first. All the hands lower, click on lower all hands. Let's see no people that are, because this might be from people that are asking about the steady or something like that. I'm here from deriv. Bring everybody on. Have you lower all hands? Let them raise again. You know how to lower all hands? Okay, done. So can we have, if you want to ask a question right now, you want to ask William a question regarding any crypto stuff, raise your hand, please. Your video has to be turned on, obviously. Move to the next phase. Let me stay on the first one. Move to the next, go to the next slide. Click on that blue button. No, click here. Click on this blue thing. Let me see those whose hands are microphone or videos. If you want to ask a question, please just raise your hand. Move to the next slide. Oh, I saw you the other guy. Go back. I want to ask you a new question on crypto only. Now we're talking about crypto. Please don't take us back to deriv nor Forex yet. Crypto. I saw a guy who was raising his hand somewhere around here. Take it back again. Here, to the first page. All right. So I meet this guy. Whose hand is but what's his name? Malewa? Okay. He's trying to speak up.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Oh, I can hear you now.
Hello?
100%. I can hear you.
Okay. First of all, I really appreciate with all these amazing stuff that you guys have been impacting us with. My question is on deriv. I want to know the exact fib level that it supports. Like day before yesterday on Saturday, after the live session.
I said we ask questions on crypto right now, not on deriv. We are talking about crypto, so that we don't have you messed up. All right.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Please, I don't have any question concerning crypto right now.
Can you mute? If you have a question on crypto, you raise your hand. Let's talk about crypto right now because William is the one that is taking the session now. We'll get to take your question in class. If you have a question on regarding deriv, since you're in the mentorship, you get to attend to the class. So William, you have one from YouTube.
Right.
So what is the minimum lot size we can use for those who are using MT4? What is the minimum lot size?
Okay, that depends on the market price. That depends on the amount of money he or she has. So ask him, what amount of money do you have, please?
What's the minimum?
Yes. You can use 0.01
on Bybit, right?
On Bybit, yeah.
Bybit,
On
MT4.
MT4.
0.01, yes, on MT4.
Yeah.
Good. Can we also apply psychological method on Bybit?
Yeah,
yes.
100%. When you do place your trade is on trading view. Bybit is where you execute. Do you understand? So when you place your trade, when you analyze on trading view using your psychological levels, then you come to Bybit to execute it.
Simple.
Okay, the exchange.
Amazing. Can we start with $30?
100%. You can start with $30 on cryptocurrency, on Bybit as well.
Okay. Okay, somebody is trying to guide us. So you have already placed it, just click buys after setting your TP and SL. I made the order, you have to, okay, I understand what you mean. Yes, that's what you're supposed to have done.
We clicked on done, but it is that we wanted it to show us that our order is showing. Do you understand? On that open order. So once you click on done, it was meant to be showing us that our position is open already. Whenever it comes to that particular price that we're expecting, you should trigger us for a buy. Do you understand? So when you click on buy, it must make sure that the position is open beneath your open order for you to now decide to now, okay, yes, your position is open for whenever it comes to that price, which is for 3,150, and based on the candlestick you're going to be seeing, that means it's going to trigger for a buy and start going to the direction of our buyers.
All right, amazing. So you say Bybit is not allowed in the UK. What do I do?
Okay, please kindly use VPN. Download your VPN and impute your details. If Bybit will not allow US and UK, Bybit and Canada is not allowed. So all you do is kindly download the VPN on it and it will be done.
Okay, now, but if it's not allowed in your region, if you just obey the law and just don't do it. I mean, except maybe when it comes to Africa, in a region where it's allowed, it's in that region. But then if you want to do, you know what to do. So let me not tell you what to do. But then somebody's asking a question. Can we start with $10? Yes. Now you can start with $10, but however, you're not going to participate in the contest that is going on, right? You need to start with minimum of $50, right? Start with minimum of $50. Stand a chance to win an iPhone. The highest trader in crypto this year get to work with iPhone 15. Courtesy me. All you just need to do is to make sure you are signed up with our partner link that we put in the Telegram channel. Sign in, join the competition, trade any amount, fund, but minimum of $50. But I do recommend you start with $100 because if you start with $100, for the first 100 people that start with $100, I'm going to be giving you guys $20 on top of your $100. All right, $100 upward. If you start with $200, I'm still going to give you $20. If you start with $100, I'm going to give you $20. All right. So trade on that contest. If you make money, you get to keep all the money away. You get to take all the money, and then you get if you come out the highest, you get to walk away with my iPhone 15. Same too. All right. So that's all you need. So
am I allowed?
Am I allowed? If you're allowed, no, obviously you're not allowed, man. We want people that are constantly trading right to join and get to win. All right. So now, thank you very much, Williams.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate you for walking us through this crypto journey. Let's go. So now it's time for you to log the Zoom comment section. Someone is already spamming. All right. Someone is already spamming. Log the Zoom comment section. Yes, we want that. I'm trying to be here. All right. And I keep pressing out already. So thank you. So let's talk about Forex ASAP. I'm not going to take too much time. Let's talk about Forex. So all hands on deck. So on the Forex side of things, let me just do analysis for today. Not wasting so much time. Just go ahead and do an analysis, and then we are out. On GDP, GDP is suspect. You don't want to do so much. And today is Monday. Enough things to do right now. Is he on? Yes. Take this one. All right, so on GBPUSD, it's a very soft pair that you should be trading. So I've said it a while ago. Then, very important thing is all about levels. This is where my chart analysis is a rough chart. Let me take you to a very clean chart. It's going to be very clean for you guys to see. Let me take you to, let me just take you to this one. It's called clear all the drawings. Okay, just have psychological level here now. Looking good. So on GBPUSD, we've been having a sharp decline after the NFP that happened on Friday. I mean, that's a good news. So since we now have a sharp decline, news gets to tell you the long-term movement of a particular instrument. All right. So check. So at this point, we have it's clear that we're going to be having more of declines. So the first thing I want us to do is to go on the per hour time frame and do our high and low of the week. So to achieve that, we have to click on setting. Click on setting here. Stage 1, click on setting. After clicking on setting, we have to click on event, and then we'll toggle on the events bar. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Setting, event, then go on the session breaks and tap on OK. This is what we have. We're going to have this line. So when I say the first two candles to form for the week, that's the candle that we focus on. It simply means after this dotted line, because anytime you are on trading view, when we turn on the session break, from this dotted line to this one represents one daily action. All right. So that means this was Friday's action. This was Thursday. This is Wednesday. And then Tuesday, like that, on and on. So now this is currently Monday. All right. But for some people, they might have theirs as some part of these two candles to be Sunday because of the time zone that you're in. So this time zone have a large way of affecting how this chart is being represented. So now I'm not going to be using day of the week to name the candles. So instead, I would rather prefer I call them the first two candles to form beginning of the week. So the first two candles to form the beginning of this week happens to be these two candles. Those are the candles that determine our highest and the lowest of the week. So all I just need you to do is to pick out the horizontal rave button right here in this place. Trend line, there's a tiny arrow that will pop up here when I hover around it. Let me do that, right? If I tap here, all you just need to do is to click on horizontal ray. Horizontal ray is this tool here. This one I'm holding, highlighting, horizontal ray. So what horizontal ray does is it helps us to spot where it starts and not just put a horizontal line all across the chart. So it starts from where we pinpoint it to start, and then it expands and then gives us this infinity line. So we're going to use this tool to map out the lowest of either of them both. So the one that happens to be the lowest happens to be the first candle, which is the bearish candle. All right, and they're also going to map out the highest of either of them. I'm going to repeat the same process. Take up the horizontal ray and map out the highest. All right. So now the concept of high and low of the week states that anytime price breaks beneath this point, this low or this high, if it breaks above them, we're going to be having more buys. If it breaks beneath, we're going to be having more sales. That's just a simple concept. Easy peasy. So now, since we had the first one that broke beneath it, so hence this week, we're going to be having more of sales. That's just a simple meaning. We're going to be having more of sales. So all you just need is wait for price to come back to this point all through this week. mark these words. If you've never followed my signals before, please do this one so that you know what I'm saying. Wait for price to come back to this point, sell, or price come back to this point, sell, all through the week. So you can, by Friday, after all the action, sit back, relax, and reflect on all these things that reflect. Sorry, you guys didn't see it. So I just noticed that the video side was blocking it. By Friday, let me repeat what I said there. Anytime price gets to this point this week, sell. Anytime price gets to this point this week, sell. So just mark out this thing. This point will be a hotspot zone to sell. Under hotspot, this thing has made me millions over the years. So it's just very simple concept. So you might not, even if you don't want to take this trade, wait until Friday, and then you go back and start checking. Check all this whole process I just said. Now let me use the one for last week to give you an example of what happened. Let me experiment with you, the one for last week. Maybe you don't have to wait till Friday. Use the last week's one to learn. So we have Friday. This is Friday. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and then Monday. So this is the lowest. This is the highest, correct? Let's mark that out. I don't want my chart to be very messy, but just do your own due diligence. Go experiment this thing, and let me just go on and show you. Just do your due diligence, guys. So if I check on 1 hour, 1 hour is telling me what is currently happening. So then I have to start moving my trend line across all my chart and all of that. So everything is currently bearish. Bearish everywhere. So with this sharp decline move, right, this one, I want price to flash up somewhere around here, and then I will short. This is a signal I'm going to be leaving you guys with. I want price to flash up here. Yeah. I want price to flash up here. And this is your short signal. Please, when price get here, don't joke around with it. Put your stop. That'll be 28 pip stop. If it happens, they depend on the week. So entry now depends on the week rejection that it gives out there. So your entry can be here. Sometimes your entry can be here. It can be here. It can be depending. But then, just around this region, I'm using that map to give like an example. So what I could do now is to copy this, copy image, and then I'll paste all across as a signal that you should be expecting on GBPUSD. Please don't play around. Even if you play with other people's signal, don't play around with my signals. Because if you play around with my signal, that's one of the surest way not to make it big this year, 2024. Because my signals, they are very authentic. So what you want to do now is to click on the link in the bio, go to my Telegram, and make sure you guys are following through all the signals that are there. Every time you see GBPS, you just know that it's hot. It's too much. It's too much fire there. All right. So make sure you are following up with your steady signal from Shams. Deriv is usually weekends that we do that, and on BTC, USDT, Solana, USDT, and other crypto that will be coming in, and every signals. Make sure you are utilizing. This is a very great time. Soon we might monetize our signal channel. We might start charging you guys to start getting signal. We might. So if we see that this value that you guys are getting for free, you're not appreciating it, we might start monetizing so you guys can value that. Get a lot of premium stuff that's out there. All right. So I'm sure that you guys are able to get value. Wait for price to get to this point, and then you start selling from there. It's a sell from there, straight up, no argument. All right, I hope you guys got value today. If you did got value, just drop one in the comment section. And one more thing, before you guys go, I want to show you guys that you guys can still be a part of our mentorship program that is currently being discounted, which is FX.com. All right, here is where you get to join, and please utilize the free class option. If you are new, you can start with the free class until you're able to make money from the free class and be able to enroll with the main mentorship here. This is the goal, but you start from here, all right? So here you'll be able to learn what is Forex, how to get started, what tools you need, because the essential tool you really need is you already have, which is your mobile phone, which is what I use to watch me right now. That's the most important thing you need. Mobile phone, and if you have a laptop, then that's an advantage to you, okay? So watch that, be able to learn what is lot size, everything that we are saying now. Even if everything we are saying now looks like jargons to you, it also was like a jargon to me a couple of years back. So you start from the free class, you advance to the enroll, you learn with us, and then you get to trade with us from Monday up until Sunday. All right, that'll be the much that we can take here from me and those guys in the studio. These guys in the studio right now looking at me, they are saying bye bye. See you same time next week. Bye guys. I appreciate you guys.